morning, student. Now today's our subject is EVS. It means environmental study, and our topic is clothes a basic need. You know very well why clothes are a basic need. There are many certain reasons that we need clothes to wear. There are many certain things that we feel important and feel need to wear clothes. There are some factors. It means weather. According to weather, we wear clothes to protect us from heat, wind, rain, and sun heat. Clothes protect us from such a weather. And many things are there in that occasion. According to occasion, we wear clothes. Occasion, there are different traditional holy occasions, just like a party, uh, wedding, funerals. Many things are there. We use according to occasion. To identify the people, there are many people around us. They do different professions. They do different type of work, and according to that, they need clothing. Now next is tradition. Tradition means हमारी संस्कृति, culture. So clothing it's depend on traditions also. According to traditions, we wear clothes. So these are some reasons. Now we will see why do we need clothes. To protect human body. Our first point is to protect human body. Our body is protected by clothes, just for a weather, to protect us from heat, cold, and rain. Second is to keep us safe and comfortable. Early man, they do not in early days, people they do not wear clothes, or day by day they improved their lifestyle and they started wearing clothes. But nowadays people they feel safe and comfortable by wearing clothes to feel pretty and confident. When we wear clothes by our choice or like, we feel pretty and confident. Next point is to protect us from weather. It means different type of weathers clothes protect us. To identify people by occupation. According to occupation, people wear clothes. Example, doctor wear their dress. Nurse, we identify nurse. We identify policeman. We identify postman by their dressing. Student, okay. To introduce culture and tradition, we identify the people and culture according to their clothing. Rajasthani, they wear such dresses according to their culture. Maharashtrian, Punjabi, they wear their traditional dresses. So according to tradition, we wear clothes. It's included as a basic need, and clothes are included as a basic need. Do you know the basic needs? Food, clothing, and shelter. Shelter means home to live in. So clothing also one of our basic need. These are some points here that we need clothes. Now these are some type of clothes. So type of clothes are depend on clothing. It's depend on certain specific factors. Now what are that? These are some specific factors. Whether I already explained. Occasion. Occasion means there are different occasion. If we go to if any person he become dead, so that time we wear in a culture white sari or white dresses. Okay, in a wedding we wear very fancy dresses and designer dresses for the wedding. Holy place, according to our religion we wear such a dresses. Identification, to identify profession we use dresses, and to introduce our culture and tradition we wear clothes. So these are some reasons to wear the clothes, and this is nowadays it's very important thing, clothing, because people feel good and they express themselves by their clothing. And some departments, some professions, it's also as you know, airline, teachers, they have some their dress codes. Okay, companies, different industries, so they identify by their clothing. And nowadays it's very important because people they need to spend or need to choose their dresses in these days, because it's very advanced world, we can say. People are very advanced nowadays, so that's clothing are very important. Now I will give a homework in image. Now that you will solve that exercises. Now here our topic, I'm going to over it. Okay.